Nagsa-sandstorm dito sa Sharjah. See? You cannot see na the ano, guys. The road there. Should be road there, and then yun oh. Then may villas doon, but yun na, you cannot see. Then tignan nyo naman, guys. Oh. Inaano ni auntie yung ano, yung mga vases para hindi mabasag if ever malakas yung hangin. Oh my gosh. And ganito yung nangyayari dito pag nagsa-sandstorm. Of course. I think it will rain after this. Charot. Kasi umulan na daw sa partes sa mga ibang countries dito sa Middle East, just like Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia. So yan, guys. Oh my gosh. Can you hear the wind? Ayokong buksan tong bintana kasi for sure. Look, guys, yung sa neighbor namin. Oh my God, sandstorm. Bagyo na ba to? Charot. After, guys, tingnan nyo. May villas na doon. And then, you know, yung road na yun, oh, clear na, diba? And yun nga, tumigil na siya. Mas grabe kanina. So, yeah.